Did you know that the humble knife has been around for over 6 million years, with the earliest recorded use dating back to the Oldowan period? This ancient tool has undergone significant transformations, from its crude stone beginnings to the sophisticated, high-carbon steel knives of today. The evolution of the knife is a testament to human ingenuity and our need for efficient tools to harvest and prepare food. But have you ever stopped to think about the chemistry behind a knife's sharpness and durability? The answer lies in the properties of metals, specifically the crystalline structure of steel. Imagine a grain of sand containing an entire library of microscopic crystalline structures, each one working together to create a razor-sharp edge. The key to a knife's sharpness is the presence of carbon, which forms a hard, crystalline compound called steel. But carbon alone is not enough. The type and concentration of carbon, as well as the presence of other elements, play a crucial role in determining a knife's performance. But that's not the strangest part. The way a knife is made can actually affect its sharpness and durability. Take, for example, the process of forging, where hot steel is hammered and folded to create a strong yet flexible blade. It's like trying to fold a piece of paper in half repeatedly, with each fold creating a new layer of strength and stability. But wait until you hear what happens when you add a dash of chromium to the mix, a game changer in the world of knives. This element, when alloyed with steel, creates a protective layer that prevents corrosion and wear. It's like applying a thin coat of armor to a delicate sword, ensuring it remains sharp and functional for years to come. And then something unexpected happened: the discovery of high-speed steel, which revolutionized the knife-making industry. This new type of steel, containing a higher percentage of tungsten and molybdenum, allowed for the creation of blades that were not only sharper, but also more resistant to wear. But that's not all. The right sharpening technique can also make all the difference in a knife's performance. Imagine a chef's knife, perfectly sharpened to a razor's edge, slicing through a tomato with ease and precision. It's a delicate balance of science and art, where the right angle, pressure, and technique come together to create a truly exceptional cutting experience. But what about the impact of knives on our daily lives? From cooking and food preparation to hunting and self-defense, knives play a vital role in our society. And let's not forget the emotional connection we have with knives: the nostalgia of a family heirloom, or the pride of owning a handmade knife. So, what does this mean for us as cooks and chefs? It means being mindful of the tools we use and the chemistry behind them in order to achieve the best possible results. And of course, it means appreciating the art and craftsmanship that goes into creating a truly exceptional knife. Want to learn more about the fascinating world of knives and cooking chemistry? Subscribe to our channel for more engaging content and exciting discoveries. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.